Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Premiere Pro for match frame and clip alignment. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up Premiere Pro for match frame and clip alignment, start by launching Premiere Pro and opening your project. Select the sequence you want to work on. Go to the Edit menu and choose Preferences, then select Timecode. In the Timecode Preferences, adjust the settings as needed for precise alignment. Next, open the Keyboard Shortcuts panel from the Edit menu. Search for Match Frame in the search bar. Double-click on the current shortcut next to Match Frame to edit it. Assign a new key combination that is comfortable for you. Press OK to save your changes. Next, locate the Clip menu in the top toolbar. Within the Clip menu, find and select Align. Make sure to assign a keyboard shortcut for clip alignment as well. Now go back to your timeline and select a clip for alignment. To use the Match Frame feature, press the keyboard shortcut you just assigned. This will open the source monitor with the original footage. For aligning clips, select the clip you want to align, then use the assigned clip alignment shortcut. Adjust the position of the aligned clip as needed in the timeline. To preview the changes, play back the sequence. Fine-tune any adjustments for seamless transitions between clips. Once satisfied, save your project to keep all settings. You have now successfully set up Premiere Pro for match frame and clip alignment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.